Hi guys, this is a little video to show you how to create user groups using this new TCOLE skin or background, whatever you want to call it, the new look on TCOLE here. So if you're a teacher, you should be seeing the same type of screen as me, and you'll want to put your students into groups for each of your classes. This is particularly useful for assessments. So when you have something submitted on Turnitin, you can easily group your students by the class that they're enrolled in, and you can see them organized just in that class. So you don't have to scroll through the whatever 700 or 600 students that are in Feb Main, and you can just use the drop down and see those students that are in your class. Another good reason for having a group is to make sure that, for example, down at the bottom of the screen here, where you have your own boxes or drawers, you can hide this from every student except for your students, and that's where groups comes in. So that way, if Kiri here does not want other students to see her section, only her students will then see that section. So those are the two primary reasons why you would use the groups. So I'm going to show you how to do that with this video. Bear with me, I might make a few mistakes because I'm doing this on the fly, and this is a new layout, so we'll see how it goes. So up at the top left, or top right, sorry, underneath your name, you'll see this little gear. Click that, and you need to turn editing on. Actually, you don't even need to do that. You just go to more. So click more, and you'll get this screen. Click users here, and then click groups. So you'll get this section here. Okay. Down the bottom, you'll want to click create group. So just for shits and giggles here, I'll just say Jay's practice class. All right. Or to keep in line with what normally we do here, like you could say J and then JA1B, something like that. You don't have to put a description in there or anything. I don't do any of this stuff. I just click Save Changes then. So that's my group for that particular class. And then now in this group, you'll see it says 0. That means there aren't any students in it. So we need to add them. So you click down here on the right-hand side, and you click Add and Remove Users. So there are too many users to show currently. So I will type a few teachers that I know that are enrolled in the course. So for example, I know Kiri is in here. So I will click that. I type her name. She pops up. I click her name here and highlight it, and then I click Add. Then I know Louisa is in the course. I'll add Louisa. Who else can we add? Amanda is in the course, I believe, because she's been helping out. We've been doing the CIC, so I'll add her. And Kavita is in here also because she's doing the TCOLE stuff with me. So let's say these are my 4 students. They are now added to the groups. I click back to groups, and they are now members of JA1B. If you want to create another group, then you do that. You click create group again. Again, maybe put your name, JB2B. Maybe it's a level 2 class. Save changes. Again, add remove users. And then I don't know any students' names, so I'll just type your guys' names. We'll get Marco in there. Chris. Oh, so see, you have student and teacher. There are a few Christinas that show up. So you will see a difference here. So I'm adding teachers to my class. You will be adding students, but it's same thing, same premise, same basic idea. Okay, let's get Ronnie in there. Oops. Okay, same basic idea. Back to groups. It saves it automatically. You don't have to click any save or anything. And then there are my two classes. So now, anytime that you need to hide something, you can make sure that your class, only your classes can see your selected things, and everything's grouped really nice. So this is something you probably want to do straight away once you get your class rosters. Come in here, add your 3, 4, 5 classes into 3, 4, or 5 groups, and you're done. And they'll be that way for the rest of the semester, or for the rest of the year. So that's how you do it. I'm going to go ahead and delete these groups now because obviously they're not needed. So I'm clicking delete. And of course it takes forever. And I'll delete this one. And now it's empty again. So remember, just click create group and follow this video, and you can pause it, and if you need to. Hopefully I didn't go through this too quickly. And once you complete the video, you are now a full-fledged on the right path to becoming a TCOLE wizard. All right, you've completed one of the first things that's hopefully will allow you to explore this new world. All right, talk to you later. Hope this helps you out.